Hi, in this video, we're going to show you a new feature of Windows 11 where you could actually create your own custom user folder name during Windows installation. So as you probably know, when you install Windows, you log in with your Microsoft account, and then it will take the first 5 characters of that email address and create your user folder based on that. So for this example here, I'm using an email account, toddsims@gmail.com. So it'll take the first 5 characters, so it will automatically make the user account Todd S. And then once that user account folder is created, you can't do anything about it. There is a trick you could use, but you kind of risk, hosing your whole computer if you do it wrong. So I'll put a link in the description for that video if you want to take that kind of a chance. All right, so we have this computer here with the Windows 11 installation already in progress. So when you get to the section where you name your device, where you give it a computer name, you'll see we have this Show Advanced Options. So I already put W11 Home for the computer name. I click on Show Advanced Options, and now you could type in the name for your user folder. And you can see you could use hyphen and dash and underscore, but no special characters. And I believe you could use up to 15 characters for this. All right, so I'm going to make it Todd-Sims for the username folder. Then I'll click on Next. And then we'll just go through the rest of the installation. So I will skip that, and then I'll be back when Windows is installed, and we'll check it out. Okay, so we're at our Windows desktop, so let's open File Explorer. Go to the C drive, Users, and now you can see we have our username Todd-Sims with all of our folders in there. So that's nice that Microsoft actually heard all the complaints about not being able to name your user folder the way you like and allowed us to change this. All right, so as of the recording of this video, this is not available on the retail, but it should be soon. So this is an insider edition. So let's check the version of Windows here, the build. So I'm on 26.220. So if you're on the insider program, you should be able to have this feature if you're on this build at least or higher. And if you're on the retail, you'll just have to wait for it, just like with everything else. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.